We have already learned about the first class adjectives. A typical example is bonus-bona-bonum, meaning good. Adjectives that decline like bonus follow the second declension in the masculine, the first declension in the feminine, and the second declension in the neuter. There are, however, some adjectives in Latin which are irregular in the genitive and dative singular. They technically still belong to the first class of adjectives, but in the genitive case they end in ius for all three genders, instead of the regular genitive endings. Similarly, in the dative case, they end in I for all three genders. They also don't have comparative degree or superlative. Their plurals are completely regular, just like bonus-bona-bonum, with the exception of the adjective unus-una-unum, meaning one or alone, which obviously, because of its meaning, does not have any plural forms. It's important to know the list of adjectives that do this. We are going to see the most common ones and a sample declension, plus a few others. Unus-una-unum. Unius-unius-unius. Uni-uni-uni. Unum-unam-unum. Uno-una-uno. Now here are some adjectives which decline just like unus-una-unum. Totus, tota, totum. Solus, sola, solum. Nullus, nulla, nullum. Ullus, ulla, ullum. Alius, alia, aliud. Alter, altera, alterum. Uter, utra, utrum. Uterque, utraque, utrumque. Neuter, neutra, neutrum. The following are often used as correlatives. Alter, alter. Alius, alius. Alii, alii. Let's see some sentences in Latin using these words. Videbimus tamen alia nova. Propter victoriam enim unius hominis aec civitas valebat. Neuter eorum duorum virorum alterum timebat. In nullo oppido incolae Romani omnino tuti esse poterant. Hic vir solus, me de amore carminum literarumque docere poterat. Illi soli stulti nulla pericula in hoc consilio vident. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.